Hello friends, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. So in the previous sections, HTML basic concepts. So we have learned some basic. In the first section, we have learned all these concepts, what you see on the screen right now. In the second section, we have learned font, background color. And the third section, background image, main image. And in the fourth section, we have learned hyperlink. So going forward, we're going to learn some more basic concepts in HTML. I'll assure that in the future classes, so you're going to receive almost 50 to 60 videos on these basic concepts of HTML. The rest I'm going to start after completing these basic concepts. Thank you for your support, your encouragement for my channel. Please do visit my channel always and subscribe and share the video as much as possible from your side. Let us start the new concept, list. As you see the screen right now here, we have your basic structure of HTML. I always tell that make sure if you want to be perfect in anything, so you have to be perfect in basics. If you don't have the basics and you'll stuck in between, please go through the basics. So today we're going to learn unordered list and order list. For that, I'm going to open the tag UL. UL stands for unordered list. Close the UL tag. Between these two tags, as I told you in the previous section, it is not necessary you have to write with the space like this, since we are working with the H Notepad++. This is just for your understanding. I'm giving the spaces, so it is not necessary you have to give the spaces. After this, you can continue. If you are perfect in coding, you sure that you're not missing any code, you can continue in a horizontal line. So just for your understanding, I'm giving the space. So after UL, I'm going to write here LI. LI stands for list. Close the LI. I'm going to copy this one. Copy, paste, paste. Let us save this file. Control S. I think I already saved this file. Control S. I'll open the output file and refresh the page. You can see here there are 3 dots, 3 circles. We call this is disk in HTML. Basics, that is if you don't give anything order type, so you'll get the default unordered list disk. Inside this we're going to write something. Before that, I'm going to write my channel name, Avitech Learn. So here we're going to learn in the future classes that part I'm going to write. So here I'm going to write some courses, Avitech course. Here I'm going to write courses like web designing, programming and MS Office. Now save the file and go back here and refresh the page. As you see here, so the Avitech Learn courses is the text what we written on the top. Just below that we have written a UL. Inside UL we have written here LI 1, 2, 3. You can write even like this. As I told you just now, save and refresh, you're getting the same thing. Why I'm giving space? It's just for your understanding. So it has to come inside UL. When I click on UL, you can see here it is covered inside UL. We have your list. This is unordered list. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to copy instead of writing this again. Control C, copy, just down, paste. You can see here, save and refresh. So we're getting the same thing here, but I'm going to change here. Instead of UL, I'm going to write here OL. Just change UL to OL. Save and refresh. Now you see the output. We're getting 1, 2, 3. So the default for UL is disk circle and default for OL is number 1, 2, 3. Unordered list, order list. We can change the type. Now I'll go back UL. I'm going to write here type square. Save, Control S, save, go back to the output and refresh. Now you see here we're getting square list. And here also type instead of 1, 2, 3, the default I'm going to write a small letter A. Save and refresh, you're getting ABC. Capital letter A. Save and refresh. Let me write Roman number. Save and refresh. So this is the basic concepts of list. There are more to learn in list. We have nested list. So that part we're going to cover in the advanced HTML concept. So this is your list concept. Let me write the background color. Save and refresh. So you can see here we have the background color. Thank you very much for joining Avitech Learn. Please do like the video, share the video. I want your support to grow my channel. I'll assure that I'm going to teach you through this my channel all the programming language from the basic to advanced. Thank you very much for your support.